Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Now I'm going to do the usual, ask you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon as I always do, but I'm going to also ask you a question. Do you want to upgrade your car screen? Now, if you have an older version of the cars, older models, the CarPlays and Android Autos don't work. Even if they do, they work on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi frequency. And if you don't have one in your car, it is a mess. And even the newer versions work with wired connectivity, which is a bit of a hassle in most of the latest models. Now, if all these are the problems and challenges you're facing and you want to have that fantastic experience, and then on top of that, you put a separate dashboard cam in your car, we've got a right solution for you. We've got this brand called OttoCast with an O, and we have their big 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car display screen. Now, this is a portable 10-inch car display. It supports both wireless. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both on wireless. It's got a dual camera HD recording. So one comes inbuilt onto the screen, and the second one, which is a rear camera, which is optional. You can do that as well. And it's easy to install, and it's got great Bluetooth connectivity and FM transmission as well. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more detail about each one of these things. I'm going to unbox this. So while I do the unboxing and take everything out to show you what this beautiful screen looks like and what all these box pack, let me quickly run you through a few key features on what kind of power this packs. It's a 10.26 inches wide smart screen display, 1600 by 600 pixels of HD resolution. It's got wireless connectivity with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's got a built-in dashboard camera. It's got a rear camera which comes in this box as well, but it's also optional in case you don't want to buy it. And the screen has got multiple views of split screen. You can split between camera display and apps, front camera and rear camera together, maps and camera, maps and music, and so on. And these are HDNF HD cameras. So the front camera is a 2160p resolution, and the rear camera is 1080p resolution. And once the installation is done, and you will see it in the setup part of the video, how crystal clear the front and the rear cameras operate. Now, you can have a dual front and rear camera recordings as well on this by putting the micro SD card, and once you're done setting up with it, you get absolutely amazing and easy access using CarPlay, Android Auto to music, apps, messages, calls, even the latest WhatsApp messages while driving. And of course, the videos don't work. For your own safety, you don't want to be staring at that screen watching a video where you should be focusing on the road. It's very easy to install. My workshop team really did a fantastic job, as you will see in the later part of this video, when I'm telling you how to set this up in complete detail, that how beautifully they manage the cables and everything, so that everything looks as if it was made for this car. It's got great Bluetooth connectivity, FM transmission, and fantastic user experience and a visual display to look at. So guys, I'm gonna show you in the next part of the video all the details of how to set it up with both Android and the Apple devices, so that you know how to do it and experience the fantastic OttoCast Screen Max. So let's get on to setting it up in the next part of the video. See you guys soon. Hello guys, I've received my car from the workshop after their installation of the OttoCast Screen Max, this beautiful 10.26 inches of full HD display. Now they've done a fantastic wire management. I'm just going to adjust the angle of the screen to suit my liking, which you can do just by the screw at the back, which is right behind the camera. And once it is done, it is easy to rock and roll. Let me run you through the few settings. Now the setting icon, you can do a lot of things here. You can set up the front camera resolution, the rear camera resolution. You can decide which side of the car you're driving on and set it up to left or right. You can set up the camera resolution. So for my favorite is 2.5K, which is the full HD on the front camera, and 1080p in the rear camera, and 1080p also comes with the night vision, so just in case you want to set it up there as well. You can set up and configure the rear camera alignments as well in terms of how you see the rear camera lines and help you the parking assist. You can and many more. You can reset, and just in case you get stuck somewhere, just press the factory reset and you will be able to set it up as well. So fairly easy. Once you're done with that, the next thing you want to show you is the camera in the front. Look at the crystal clear screen that you see. Now, this can be adjusted by a small, just press it, slide it up and down to adjust the right angle, and you can press it down as well. So, which is fairly easy and slide bit, but the quality of the video is just stunning. And you can record this by putting a micro SD card as well. Moving on, first thing I would suggest doing is setting up the audio output. I want to set it up using the FM transmitter. Now find a free frequency on your car's radio, like I've selected 89.10, and on the AutoCast screen, just set it up 89.10 as well. And once you have done that, and press the volume button on your car stereo, and that's it. Now all your audio will come from your car speaker. You could also do it using the Bluetooth speakers as well. So connect on Bluetooth, press on Bluetooth right next to it, and on your phone, just select the Bluetooth audio and select your Bluetooth car audio and pair it with your car, and it's done. Moving on, let's set up the Android device. I've got my Samsung Fold here. And once I've done logging in, just select the Android Auto option on there, and then go to Bluetooth, select the Bluetooth pairing device name of AutoCast, which is displayed there. Once you pair that and give access to the contacts and say yes, and voila, it is done. Now you will see that all the screen, after pressing the couple of OKs, just to tell you a little bit of information, you have your Android screen there. It's a split screen, as you can see. I've got the maps on one other side and the audio on the other side as well. And you can see all your apps which are compatible with Android Auto right on the screen there. Now, isn't it fantastic? Now, setting it up with the Apple phone was equally easy. Select the Apple CarPlay, and same way on the Bluetooth, just OK to the pin code, say yes, and once you'll get the notification, use CarPlay. Once you select that, and that's it. You are done. You have your Apple device, Apple Play, right in front of you. And same way, all the Apple Play compatible apps are showing on the screen as well, which is fantastic. Now, another thing I loved about it is the screen mirroring part as well. Now, go to the screen mirroring. It'll ask you to confirm. You have to add, there's a small barcode there. Just select and download that particular app. Give it the right access. You click, selecting the button, and once you've done that, just select once you can select the device which it has searched, just say OK, and you have your phone screen right on there as well. Now you can, once I flip the phone and show vertical, it'll automatically go vertical as well. And I tried playing a YouTube video. Let me try, put a YouTube video onto the screen and go vertical with it, and so that you can see that my video is playing there as well. Now I will select one of my favorite videos. Let's go with the one here, which is a beautiful fight scene from a game, and voila, you have a beautiful screen share option right in front of you. So guys, it is just phenomenal, and I am absolutely loving this screen, and I am sure that once you get it there from the links in the description below, you will love it as well. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.